Okay guys, you guys can see how we've transformed the compressor from how it was previously.
See with the camera. Let me. Wait. Can I shake it? Turn this way and shake it. Let me see. Just shake. Oh,
Grab it.
I can grab it.
Grab it. For you.
I can slap it on top. No, I don't put my face.
You are crazy.
I'm Kristen on here with.
You see how terrible this very compressor looks? There are a lot of oil pool around this area, so without wasting more of your time, let's get started. I tested it yesterday and it pumps very fine, and that's the reason why I'm trying to revive it. It's pretty hot out here. So guys, next moment I'm gonna be, let me drop this down because my tripod is not here. My tripod is too okay, we'll lose that. There are two 14 bolt there. You can see how shiny those plates are, so we'll lose it. Now what is holding this compressor is just this. And funny, you see, I didn't calculate it very well. This was not even holding the compressor in the first place. It's just this bracket. But as I lose it, I can take it off from here. Look at how dirty that is. This is somewhere here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crank the compressor off. Okay, that's tightening. And she's out. So it's time to come out, remove this bracket. And then, okay, it got more bolt in there, which is here. Still another 12 here. Now she's out. Wrapping it up. The next episode is going to be cleaning this compressor up. So if you guys can see right here, so the first thing on this very compressor here,
yanzu kran din yana dauke da inji ne.
compressor from how it was previously. Pull by hand because I know this compressor is not gonna get out. You guys can see how terrible. Okay guys, you guys can see how we've transformed the stock in that bracket there. Right now is I need to take it off. Okay guys. Putting this compressor is just this. So funny. You see, the next episode is gonna be cleaning this compressor. So you can press that tuning. Bye for now. And I hope you like it. Bye for now.